Hello everybody, welcome to this video. My name's Josh. I'm going to be showing you guys my BMW M2's exhaust. Just wanted to let you guys know right off the bat though that I have the N55 powered M2, not the S55. So mine's a 2018, it's the LCI, it's the facelifted one. But also the modifications that I have made is 3 items, one of which is a non-resonated mid-pipe from Dinan. The other is the axle back from Dinan that connects to it. You can weld it on. And then last but not least is, of course, you got to get the downpipe. So I chose to go full catless and not a sport cat. But I got mine from VRSF, and again, it's non-catted. So I matched all 3 of those together, and it really brings out that true, nice, throaty, aggressive N55 sound. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Let's do this. So this is what the exhaust is like. On cold starts, it's very, very loud. But once it cycles, gets hot, it kind of calms down, and the idle's like this. So if it's something that you're considering that you may think is too loud, it's not that loud. People will get over it. It's very tame when you're driving and there's no drone, which is nice. It's a great setup. Something I would recommend. But other than that, that's the sound of the car. I'll do like 2 revs and then that's it, because it's very loud when you rev it high. Alright? And that concludes this video. Peace.